Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the high-limit thermostat in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. For better access, we recommend removing the outer door panel. Use a Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread all 4 screws, securing the panel. With the screws unthreaded, you can pull the panel down to detach. Using a 1/4-inch socket or a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the lower access panels. Set the panels aside. Now use a 1/4-inch socket or a T20 Torx bit to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the inlet valve from the frame. Disconnect the wire connector so you can move the valve out of the way. Detach the front high-limit thermostat wire. Now, using a short Phillips-head screwdriver, loosen the screw so you can rotate the retainer and remove the thermostat. Disconnect the rear wire to fully remove the old component. Install the new high-limit thermostat by first connecting the rear wire to the terminal. Insert the new thermostat into the sump assembly, rotate the retainer, and tighten the screw. Connect the front wire. Reconnect the wire connector to the inlet valve. Reposition the valve on the frame and thread the mounting screws. Realign the 2 access panels. Secure them with the 2 mounting screws. Reinstall the outer door panel by aligning it on the inner panel, then slide up. Thread the 4 mounting screws to secure. Turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.